Hello, in front of me I've got Star Wars Outlaws. In this video I'll show you how to check reputations rewards. In the beginning, let's go to menu and now enter reputation. Select your syndicate and here you can check rewards. You can claim this reward at your delivery crate on Trailblazer. Here are reputation rewards for good reputation, excellent reputation, and maximum reputation. Also, you can find contract brokers and merchants. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.